Welcome to our Restore in America channel, where we show you a common person's approach to do-it-yourself repairs. Today we are working on a 2003 Ford F250 Super Duty XLT 7.3L turbo diesel crew cab. In this video, I will be removing the engine coolant reservoir, also known as the pressurized coolant reservoir, and expansion tank. After removing the cap, it would be a good idea to remove the coolant at this point using the drain shown here. I am always careful to use an appropriate container to catch the coolant in, and I also use the appropriate hand and eyewear. I wanted to quickly point out the mounting bolts that's holding the reservoir onto the truck, one right there, and then there's another one and a third. So I just wanted to show you those. It looks like a socket with the correct extension, and ratchet will do a great job at removing those. And here's one of the mounting bolts that's holding the reservoir onto the truck. Now that I have those mounting bolts removed, I wanted to show you the larger hose that's on the bottom of the reservoir, held on by one of those tension self-tightening clamps that I took off with a pair of pliers. And I'll just go ahead and point out that larger rubber hose on the bottom of the reservoir, and I'll probably reuse that clamp. Now that the larger of the two rubber hoses has been removed from the bottom of the reservoir, the only thing left is to remove the smaller of the two rubber hoses, and I'm going to detach it from the radiator, and again it is held on by one of those tension clamps that I was able to remove with a pair of pliers. Well, that was pretty straightforward. That was it for my reservoir removal. Please like and subscribe, and take care now.